In this video, I'm going to show you how I revert my hair from straight to curly. Want to find out if I have heat damage? We'll find out together. If you're interested in finding out, let's continue to the video. Is that damage? Hey loves, it's Angie B and I am back with another video, and in this video, like I said at the beginning, I'll be reverting my hair from straight to curly. Now this is the first time I have straightened my hair since I did my big chop. If you haven't seen my big chop, then I'm going to link it in the eye there, so make sure to check it. Also, I did a whole video on how I flat ironed my hair for the first time and all the steps. It has been about 3 weeks since I flat ironed my hair, but if you want to see how I did it, I will also link it in the eye there, so make sure to check that out. It will also be in the description box below. So getting straight into the video, this is what my hair is looking like. It's looking like a mess. I have already done a hot oil treatment, and I know I'm linking to a lot of videos, but I didn't want to make this video super long. So I already did a hot oil treatment, and if you want to see how I did that hot oil treatment, I will be posting it after I post that video, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel. The button is right down there, as well as the bell icon, so if you click the bell, that just ensures that as soon as I post the next video, you guys are going to see it exactly how I did the hot oil treatment. So my hair is still kind of warm from that treatment, and we're going to start by sectioning the hair into two. So I'm just doing a rough sectioning. Like I said, my hair is slathered in my oil mix. And I'm just going to tie this half first. And then we will start with this side. So how I'm starting is I am deep conditioning my hair on dry hair. And you guys know I always deep condition on clean hair. But because my hair is straight and I want it to revert to curly, I want to start the process before I deep condition. And I also usually put creams before oils. But since I did a hot oil treatment, my hair is still warm. So my cuticles are open and they will allow for the deep conditioner to penetrate. The deep conditioner I always use is this one. It is the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Mask. You guys know this is my favorite hair mask of all time. I like it way better than the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one. But I am all out. There's only this little bit left, as you guys can see. So I'm only going to put this on my edges because my hair is naturally always the frizziest on my edges. But for now, I'm going to be using the ORS one. It came in a huge container and I actually used the container for something else. So I just decanted it into this one. It's the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I use this leave-in as well, but I'm all out, so I just decanted that in here. I will put up a picture here of what the conditioner looks like, the container for it. So that's the conditioner I'll be using since I'm all out. But it's also good because this is a light protein treatment, and it's really good after all the stress of having my hair flat ironed. Having some protein in my hair is a good thing. So I'm going to start by sectioning little sections like this. And guys, I'm so scared. If I get heat damage, we're just gonna have to deal with it. But I have faith. I'm putting out all the positive vibes into the universe that my hair is going to be super straight, super curly, nourished, you know, my curls are gonna pop. So let's see this. I'm using rice water to wet my hair. You can just use plain water, but you guys know how much I love rice water. More rice water videos are coming. And if you haven't seen any of my videos on rice water, I would recommend you to watch them. I'm going to link a rice water playlist in the eye right here. And in that playlist, you'll find videos on how I make rice water, how I make it look so white like this, because people always ask me how I make the rice water white, and a 10-day challenge. So all that you will find. So first, I'm just going to spray my hair and completely soak it in the rice water. So it's nice to start in small sections, and we really want to encourage the hair to start reverting. As you guys can see, the frizziness is starting to come back. My curls are making their way back to me. This is definitely wet enough, so I'm just going to keep working this into my hair and encouraging. Ooh, you see those curls? You see those curls coming back. You see them? They are making their way back to me. Is that damage? It's gonna revert. It's gonna revert. Okay, so now that we can see some beautiful curls popping up, I think the rice water definitely helps with this because of the starch. I know it does have protein, and there's always a debate in my comments about, oh, is there protein, is there not? Like, guys, look up the nutrition guide. Even if it's just a 1%, 1 gram, it has protein. But what makes the hair feel hard is also the starch, and I really feel like the starch helps the hair revert nice and curly. You guys can see it's basically all curled up. So now that it's nicely curled up, I'm going to put conditioner in it, and be very generous with the conditioner, guys. Your hair has been through a lot of stress, so it definitely needs the extra TLC. So I will be dousing each section in conditioner. And my hair already has oil, so it's going to be like a double treatment with all my nice oil mix. I will, like I said, I'm going to list it in the description box below. It should just go up about 3 days after this video, so by the time you're watching this, I'm sure it will be up. But I just deep conditioned my hair with an oil mix. Not deep condition, sorry. I did a hot oil treatment. If I didn't do the hot oil treatment before this, I would have put oil on top of my hair now. So there is my first section done. As you guys can see, complete, beautiful curls, no heat damage at all. You see that beautiful hair? No heat damage. So I will continue taking sections that are just around the same size as the one I got just now and adding conditioner. And I'm probably going to fast forward this part because you guys do not want to be bored by me doing the exact same thing over and over again. So I'll probably put a little bit of music and just, you know, skip through to me doing this all over my hair. So enjoy. Okay, so now we can see that this side has completely reverted, honey. It looks so good, so moisturized. My curls look so good. They are popping, and this is just deep conditioner, honey. This is not a curl product or whatever. Now I'm going to do the side off camera because time. So let's just compare what it looks like. So here we have the before and the after. Bam. Okay, so I finished putting the conditioner on this side, and guys, can you see the definition? If anything, this is the best my natural hair has ever looked. I think the hot oil treatment just took it over the edge. Again, like I said, it'll be linked in the description box below if you want to see how I did my hot oil treatment. And like, I mean, look at this. My curls are super defined. There is not a single damaged curl. So also, if you didn't check out my straightening hair routine, if you're thinking of straightening your hair, in that video I show all the steps that I did to prevent damage, and as you guys can see, it clearly worked. My hair is looking glossy, and literally this is conditioner, the same conditioner in my hair, and the oil from the hot oil treatment. No gel, no nothing. My hair doesn't even look like this when I put hair gel in it. So clearly my new conditioning routine is working. If you want to see a full deep conditioning routine and like styling kind of video, make sure to leave that in the comment section below. But this is the end of the video. I am glad with how my hair turned out. It turned out so well that my highlighter was like, girl, before you go back on screen, you better make sure you put a little bit on. So yeah, it's getting a little bit darker now, but you guys can see I've tried to come as close as possible. My hair is in great condition. It feels very soft. I think cutting off the dead ends while it was straight as well also really helped. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you didn't. Also, if you want to see more of these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon linked right down there. Remember, it is free and you guys will get notifications every single time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!